was just like
a few different tasks across a few different cases about a few different things.
Haven't really gotten back on track. Hi everyone, and welcome to Apprenticeish, where we talk all about apprentices, apprenticeships, kind of. I just realized I'm still wearing this. Hi everyone! It has been a whole minute. I feel like I haven't filmed in absolutely ages. I think I would have released a video either last week or the week before, I'm not quite sure when I'm going to post this vlog yet, about me just not doing so great in one of my most recent exams. I have been unwell, quite in fact, but I'm better now. Like, I feel like we still have like maybe a few days of recovery and then we'll be back to normal. But whilst I was ill, I literally just laid. Like, I was not productive in the slightest. I was just like for a few days on end. So I was like, let me just film today and tomorrow for like me just trying to get back into the routine. Unfortunately, I have not been as like on job with my portfolio as I should have been, to be honest, because trying to juggle preparing for SQE1 alongside, you know, preparing a 9,000 word portfolio is intense. Since I did that exam early, I think what I am gonna do is just spend the rest of this week, i.e. today, tomorrow and Friday, like bashing out as much of this portfolio as I can. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at, and I think I'll probably end up staying late today and tomorrow so I can like draft some stuff. But yeah, I think I'll just vlog and then we'll probably have another catch up towards the end of the day, like after I finish work. Also, Gorgina, I really enjoy this makeup. Hello. I literally stopped doing makeup for a while, a long time. I don't know why, I can't quite remember. Probably some unimportant reason, but I really enjoy it, it calms me down. Anyway, I need to leave at 6:30 and it's currently 6:26, so I am going to jacket, shoes, bag. I don't know if I should bring my laptop. I think because I'm going to be typing on, maybe I should. Okay, I'm gonna bring it. I'm actually excited to be in the office. Hi everyone, I am in the office. I might do some live admin, but I really actually wanted to, I was planning whilst I was on the train, and I want to do some practice questions, and then I might do some live admin, but those practice questions are like a huge priority. So maybe I'll just spend the rest of the morning doing those practice questions, to be honest with you. And then I'm gonna start work, which, do I have a lot on today? I'm sitting at my desk in open plan, so I don't know if I'll be able to, I'm not like in a pod or anything, so I don't know. Do I have anything? I have a few things on today actually. So if you work in law, you'll understand what I mean, but I need to prepare quite a few like emails, some of which are quite urgent, and I need to redo a form because some things have changed on the case. And I also need to prepare a schedule of loss for Monday latest. And then I'm preparing a very lengthy instructions to counsel, which usually the counsel is the barrister in the case. The difference between solicitor and barrister is a barrister tends to provide very specialized advice to solicitors in order to, understand prospects of success for a claim, or, if there's like a niche area of law, then like you would go to a barrister. They also are in court a lot. They wear wigs in court. Some of them, I don't think you have to wear that anymore. And so the instructions counsel is like super important when it comes to a case. So I need to finish drafting that. And yeah, I think just follow up my supervisor about a few different things. But very miscellaneous day. I'm not like working on one big task. There's like a few different tasks across a few different cases about a few different things, which honestly is like very realistic. Like unless you're working on like a large group claim, or, you want to spend some real focused time on something on one particular case, then 9 times out of 10 you're going to be working on a few different cases all at the same time, especially if you have individual clients. Anywho, I think I don't want to say it. Maybe I don't want to say it. I have a goal, but I don't want to say it. So I think I might just like wrap this bit up here. I'm gonna grab breakfast and then go to my desk as soon as it hits 8 a.m. So hopefully this is a productive session. Hi everyone, I have finished work. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it has been a very intense day. This is actually the next day. I didn't record this morning and I didn't record yesterday because I literally found like a very interesting thing about this apartment that I'm staying in. There's like a section with all of my books, every single one of them, and there is mold there, like in the whole, like that whole cupboard area, and it's actually affecting my breathing. Yay! I was just like, I should, now that I've discovered it, I'm gonna stay out of my apartment for as long as possible. I'm not really around over the weekend anyway, so it's fine. Hopefully my landlord / building manager will come and treat it properly. What was I gonna say? I feel like I haven't really gotten back on track. And to be honest, I don't think I will get back on track until next week / when I can like actually sleep properly and rest. So yeah, it's been a very interesting 2 days. I ended up meeting up with someone yesterday, so I didn't even like study after work. So today I'm going to do quite a bit of my dissertation preparation, and I don't know if I'll wrap the vlog up here, I'm not really sure, but this evening we have an external event that's coming internally, which I'm very excited about, because apparently there's going to be someone from like the government, somebody from the government is going to come and just like talk about things. I don't know how much information I can give away, but I'm just really excited about it. So yeah, I have 2 hours before the event starts. It is currently 5:34, so I am going to basically bash out maybe 2 sections of my dissertation and then wrap it up. We also found out what departments we're going to next year. I am thrilled, I'm happy, I'm excited. But next year I just need to like reach out to my supervisor, and this is my last rotation. I will basically stay in my final team until I finish the apprenticeship, and so that will be international human rights, which is an entire department, and I'm just intrigued. I'm just really interested to see what it's going to be like. So yeah, that's it, that's me, and I really hope it's going to be a good environment to study in, especially for SQE1, which is very interesting, but we'll get there. So yeah, I'm gonna just study, and I guess I don't know if I'll catch you guys tomorrow, later, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, but I definitely know that there's gonna be Caribbean food at this event, so I'm really excited. Anyway, I will catch you guys later. We'll see what we get to. Guys, are you literally kidding me? I was doing the lighting entirely wrong the entire time. But I'm about to be joined by Josie. I think we're gonna sit down and have a chat because I need a break after work. Sometimes work is honestly very emotionally and mentally intense. Come through. Come in. You finish work, it's like genuinely so, it can be really emotionally and mentally draining, especially some of the facts of the cases that we're dealing with can be, you know, really unfortunate. So yeah, it's just good to get in a chin wag there. And this is a reminder to stay in touch with your community, despite how busy you are, despite how, you know, things may go wrong or right. Like, it's good to have a good chin wag sometimes. My apartment is a damn mess, yeah. But what I will say is my order arrived. I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited to try this. I feel like I am genuinely, I'm gonna have a chin wag with one of the girlies. Okay, we're gonna sit down. We're gonna chat. We're gonna catch up. And then I'm gonna go sleep.